First of all, congrats on choosing the new SmartCode Keypad electronic deadbolt. Weiser is here to make your life safe and easy. And I'm here to show you how simple it is to install your new electronic lock on any standard door. If you're drilling a new door, use our Weiser template and door prep instructions at weiserlock.com/door prep. If you're not drilling a new door, you have to remove your old lock. All locks consist of the deadbolt and the strike. You can remove both with a Phillips head screwdriver. Now you're ready. The installation will only require 5 steps, and all of them can be completed with the same Phillips head screwdriver you used to remove your existing lock. Remember, do not use electric drills. So, let's begin. Step 1 is the latch. Install the deadbolt latch and its bolt in the unlocked position, like this, making sure that the up indicator is pointing up. If the rectangle hole is not centered in the door hole, then rotate the latch face to extend the latch. You can now attach your latch to your door by using the 2 corresponding screws in box 1. There are 2 extra screws that are longer in case your door is a bit worn out and needs extra support. Step 2, the strike. The latch needs the strike in place to be complete. To install it, use the 2 longest screws in box 2 and have them closest to the door jamb. The shorter screws belong on the other side. Step 3, the exterior. Attach the exterior keypad. Make sure this cylinder flat blade piece is in its horizontal position. Make sure the cable goes under the latch that you just installed, like so and so. If you have a smaller 1.5 inch or 38 millimeter door hole, you won't need the ring around the flat blade piece. You can recycle it. Next, you'll use the 2 long mounting screws to secure the mounting plate. The flat blade and the cable that went under the latch will also go through the mounting plate. You'll see a little spot at the bottom for them to rest, like so. Keep the plate parallel with the door edge to ensure that the top indicator is facing the top of the door. All right, it's time to insert the key and test the latch. Good. If it doesn't extend or retract smoothly, simply adjust the screws. Just make sure to leave the bolt in the extended or locked position to install the interior assembly. Now, rotate the turnpiece so it faces up. You'll hear a click when it's in place. Remove the cover for the interior as well. Connect the cable to the interior. Ensure it's a tight connection too. You can route any excess cable slack along the side notch and bottom of the interior. At this point, you'll see that the flat blade piece can be inserted into the turn piece to complete the interior assembly process, like so. Now, use the mounting screws to attach the interior to the mounting plate you secured earlier. Step 4 is the AA batteries. You'll need to keep the door open and the latch in the locked position while inserting the batteries. For best results, use new, non-rechargeable alkaline batteries only. Step 5, add your user code. With your batteries in place, you're ready to add your chosen user code. Now, this step is a lot easier than you might think. Start on the interior by pressing the programming button. You'll find it on the interior chassis below the battery holder. While programming, if no button is pressed for 5 seconds, the system will time out and you'll need to restart your user code programming process. So keep the following in mind. It's easy to remember anyway. To program, press 1, followed by the lock button, your chosen user code, which is 4 to 8 digits in length, then the lock button once again to confirm your user code. So, this signals to the bolt that it can test its retracted and extended position to learn the orientation of your door. The keypad display will indicate if the bolt is operating properly based on a green or red response. If red, check your battery placement and interior steps one more time before trying again. If green, you're good to go. From now on, entering your user code unlocks the door. And pressing the lock button locks it. All you need to do now is snap the battery cover in place, and you're all done. That's it. The new SmartCode Keypad electronic deadbolt is ready to make your life simple and safe. See the Smart Key rekeying instructions for details on rekeying. For more information, have a look at weiserlock.com.